How to log into TSB Bank Credit Card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on logging into your TSB Bank Credit Card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the preferred web browser in your computer or your mobile device, and then go to tsb.co.uk. Type it in your search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then after, you will come across the official web page of the TSB Bank. And here you have to locate login option in the top right corner of the screen highlighted in blue color. Click on it. Then you will quickly land into the login portal where you have to enter the user ID first. And after doing that, if you'd like to remember your user ID for the future logins, you can simply check this box over here. But if you have been using a public or a shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your password and your memorable information, click on Forgotten Your Password link in order to retrieve and reset your password. And if you'd also like to recover your user ID, you can simply go to this link over here and recover your user ID as well. After entering the correct form of your user ID, simply click on Continue and you will be asked for the password option. Go ahead and enter the correct form of your password and you will be successfully logged into your TSB Bank. After that, subsequently after creating your account, click on the login option. Once logged in, you should be directed to your online banking dashboard. Locate the option to access your credit card account. Select the credit card option, enabling you to review your credit card balance, transaction statements, and other account details. Additionally, you have the ability to apply for a credit card, compare various credit card features, and subsequently click on Apply Now. And upon completion of the form and clicking on the Submit button, your application will be reviewed, and upon approval, your credit card will be dispatched to you through mail. So this concludes our tutorial. If you have any queries or concerns, please leave them in the comment section. And also remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.